Cash App, can it be your money vault or is it missing a key feature? Ever been out with friends and realize you're the only one without cash? Or maybe you need to send a quick payment but your bank transfer takes ages. That's where mobile payment apps like Cash App come in. But what if you need to add funds to your Cash App balance? Can you actually deposit money directly into the app, or is it more like a digital wallet that relies on refills from your bank account? Let's face it, convenience is king in today's world. We want our money to be as accessible and transferable as possible. So, can Cash App truly be your all-in-one financial hub, or is there a missing piece to the puzzle? The power of Cash App transfers, sending and receiving with ease. Cash App shines when it comes to sending and receiving money between friends and family. Splitting a restaurant bill? Cash App it. Paying your roommate for rent? Cash App it again. The process is smooth and instant, making it a lifesaver for those quick financial exchanges. But what if you get some cash as a birthday gift or earn some side hustling? Can you directly deposit that physical cash into your Cash App balance? The truth about cash deposits on Cash App. Unfortunately, Cash App itself doesn't have a built-in feature for depositing physical cash directly into your account. This might be a surprise for some, considering how convenient the app is for other financial transactions. However, there's a workaround. Cash App has partnered with certain retail stores to allow you to deposit cash indirectly. Here's how it works. Find a participating retailer. Cash App has partnered with stores like Walmart, CVS, and Dollar General. You can find a complete list of participating locations directly in the Cash App under the Cash section. Generate your barcode. Within the Cash App, you'll find an option to add cash with a deposit slip icon. This will generate a unique barcode for your transaction. Head to the store and scan, visit your chosen participating store and head to the cashier. Show them the barcode on your phone and tell them you want to add cash to your Cash App balance. Pay the fee and deposit cash. There's usually a small fee associated with depositing cash this way, typically around $1. Once you pay the fee and hand over your cash, the cashier will scan the barcode to finalize the deposit. The pros and cons of cash deposits via Cash App partners. While the option to deposit cash through partner stores exists, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Convenience. It's still a relatively convenient way to get physical cash into your Cash App balance, especially if you're already running errands. Security. No need to carry large amounts of cash around. You can simply deposit what you need for digital transactions. Cons. Limited locations. Not all stores accept Cash App deposits. You'll need to find a participating retailer near you. Fees. There's a small fee for each deposit, which can add up over time. Transaction limits. Cash deposits through stores typically have daily and weekly limits on the amount you can add. Alternatives to cash deposits with Cash App. If the limitations of in-store deposits aren't ideal for you, there are other ways to add funds to your Cash App balance. Link your bank account. The most common method is to link your bank account to Cash App. This allows you to transfer money directly from your checking or savings account to your Cash App balance for free. Link your debit card. You can also link your debit card to Cash App for transfers. However, keep in mind that some banks might charge a fee for using a debit card to add funds. Cash App, a great tool, but not a complete replacement. Cash App is a fantastic tool for managing your everyday finances, especially for quick transfers and online payments. However, it's important to remember that it might not be a complete replacement for a traditional bank account. The lack of direct cash deposits and limitations on transfer methods might not suit everyone's needs. So, can you deposit money directly into Cash App? Technically, no. But the partnership with participating retailers offers a convenient workaround, albeit with some limitations. Ultimately, Cash App is a great tool for managing your digital finances, but consider if it fits your needs for both physical and digital cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.